we get up here to the quarter mile, I'm going to honk the horn 3 times, just like we used to do back when I was in high school, running my 57 Chevy. Had a 327, 12.5 to 1s, tarantula intake, double hump heads. A lot of good stuff on it. 4-speed. I'm thinking I'm going to get at least 60 mile an hour in a quarter mile. We'll see. The end of this bridge to that next road up here, a quarter of a mile. This is the way we did it back in school. Right now. We're right at 70 mile an hour, but my speedometer is actually off 5 mile an hour in that range, so we did at least 65, about 65 mile an hour and a quarter of a mile. Not too bad. Felt pretty good. I'm impressed. No, we wasn't cheating with any gasoline. Now I got to check and make sure. Nope, it wasn't on. I haven't bought any gasoline since sometime before we went to Arkansas, and the gas gauge is just about on empty. Went a little over 1,000 miles. I drove it a couple times to town and back to the junkyard and stuff on gasoline because I was wanting to clean it out. And each night I got home, I didn't want it hot, and for some reason or another, I didn't go ahead and do it that night. So I drove it on gasoline the next day. Didn't get it done that day either. But anyway, we're going to go get some gasoline. It's down to $2.73 or something like that down at Southtown. So we're going to go get some gas. I'm going to turn this off. See you later. Bye. 70 mile an hour. 65 mile an hour, to be honest. That gauge is off. It's all right. Bye.